Okay, so we're going to demo our wall mount system for Trade Fixtures Gravity Bins. So first what we're going to do is you're going to place it up on the wall, and you're going to want to measure down to, if you have a shelf, a bottom shelf, it'll be between 24 to 25 inches from the top of this fixture. If you're just going to want to hang them onto the wall, then all that it matters is that it's level and that you mount it into a stud. I've already pre-selected some holes and put some starter holes into it, so we're going to go from here and start to mount our wall mount system. If you put one in the center, it'll keep it balanced. You put the other two on either side. You'll want to at least hit the vertical studs. The vertical studs will give you plenty of support, and they're typically 16 inches away. I recommend using a wall stud finder. Okay, so now the bracket firmly mounted onto a substantial structure. Now what you're going to want to grab is our gravity bin mounts, and they get mounted. They actually clip behind the back side. We're just demoing just 3 of them, and you can actually put up as far as this bracket is. It's 24 inches across. You can put up as many as you can in a 24-inch section. Okay, once they're in place, we have provided you with screws. One. Okay, once they're mounted, you can use our gravity bin. Our gravity bin, simply, we use the 2 nubs here, place, and you are ready to go at that point. Here's another. Goes up the same way. And there it is, fully installed.